Today, we're in one of Cannes' most discreet and prestigious residential addresses, La Californie. We're just moments from the city center, yet we enjoy panoramic views of the countryside and sea here behind me. And what strikes me the most about this home, apart from its historic pedigree, is the fact that we can feel completely detached from town, yet we're still just a walk away from the Rue d'Antibes, Boulevard de la Croisette, and all the excitement that our great town has to offer. We're going to have a look at this property, and please join me on a tour together. Hidden within one of Cannes' most prestigious residential enclaves, this remarkable private estate offers a rare sense of escape, just moments from the heart of the city. Terraced Mediterranean gardens, majestic cypress trees, and classical landscaping create an atmosphere more reminiscent of Tuscany than the Côte d'Azur. Then, as a gentle reminder of where you are, the Mediterranean appears. The arrival is exactly what you'd expect of a property of this caliber: privacy, presence, and a real sense of luxury. Here on arrival at the main house, we've got covered parking for 2 cars, and you probably noticed already the 2-car garage at the lower part of the property. The driveway is entirely cobbled, which is just the most decadent way to finish off this surface. And here we are on arrival at the main entrance to the home. Dating from the mid-20th century, this is one of those homes with immediate soul. It's not trying to imitate character, it already has it. Inside, we're welcomed with generous volumes. This is a proper reception room. It's elegantly designed for entertaining family and friends, as well as living your daily life peacefully at home. Check out this kitchen space here. It's perfect for interacting with family and friends, or maybe even hosting your own professional cooking show. We've got an immense island here with breakfast bar. These are natural stone countertops, and we've got high-end, custom-fitted Gaggenau appliances, fully fit with teppanyaki and steamer. The stair here leads up to 2-bedroom suites upstairs, including the master. And here behind me, we're about to step into a secondary reception area on this main living level that really has a wonderful vibe of being inside, yet with these enclosed glass walls, we feel like we're immersed in the garden. on the lower level of the main house, and this space offers an amazing opportunity to use it as a home cinema and games room, or just to have a more casual living space to watch the game. This space flows seamlessly into the covered patio area where you'll be poolside, and you can make great use of this bar and dining facilities outside. Here from the outdoor kitchen and bar area, we've got a great view over the pool, the gardens, and a beautiful glimpse of Villa d'Aumergue, as well as the sea in the distance. These gardens measure nearly an acre, and it's a beautiful blend of Mediterranean outdoor living, combining the best of what the French Riviera has to offer, as well as a Tuscan vibe that this quarter of Cannes exudes. This Boules court is located on the terraced level of the garden below the pool. These terraces are known as restaurants, and this one houses multiple types of citrus trees, and over a dozen in total. This is the one-bedroom guest house with a lovely veranda and patio area. Afterwards, we'll go check out the studio, which is totally separate as well from the main house. Cannes offers many exceptional villas, but very few properties offer this rare combination of pedigree, architecture, position, walkability, and view. If your search ticks a few of those boxes, then this is a must-see property for you and your family. It's an exceptional estate, and I can't wait to show it to you. I'm Chris McGinnis with Finding Country, French Riviera in Provence.